For dogs with ear infections, EcoEars Dog Ear Cleaner is a highly effective and safe formula that can be used on dogs 12 weeks of age and older. EcoEars works without antibiotics or pharmaceutical medications. To apply, lay your dog on his side and flip the cap open. Then fill the affected ear canal with EcoEars by pouring it gently in your dog's ear. Next, massage the base of the ear gently for about 90 seconds. When you are done, let the dog shake his head for as long as he needs to. Then, take a paper towel and wipe away visible dirt or liquid from the ear. EcoEars works best when used twice per day, once in the morning and once at night. For severe or recurrent infections, we recommend a minimum of 15 days, twice per day.